Okay, so going back to our duplicate page that we made, okay, we're on to our next service, whatever that is, right? So, okay, so here's my duplicate page. I'm gonna obviously start from the top and start making edits. So, let's say this was HVAC instead of emergency plumbing. So, what am I doing here? Okay, so obviously editing the picture. Okay, so this little gem right here, Envato Elements, this is my diamond in the rough, very expensive program that I pay for. Okay, so HVAC is what our new service page that we're doing is. Okay, choose whatever one that I like. Okay, this one I want to be my main picture. Okay, import photo, and it puts it right in there for you. I don't know why I'm worrying about sizing it when I'm not even, this is not even real page. But anyway, yeah, that is how all of that is done.